Injera is a quintessential staple of Ethiopian cuisine, celebrated for its unique texture, slightly tangy flavor, and cultural significance. Made primarily from teff flour, a gluten-free grain that is rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals, injera is more than just a flatbread. It represents a culinary tradition that has been passed down through generations. The preparation of injera begins with creating the batter, which involves mixing teff flour with water. This mixture is stirred until it reaches a smooth, thick consistency. The batter is then covered and left to ferment at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. During this fermentation process, the batter undergoes a transformation. It develops bubbles, acquires a light sour aroma, and takes on a slightly tangy flavor. The fermentation time can be adjusted according to personal preference. Longer fermentation yields a more pronounced sour taste, which is a hallmark of authentic injera. Once the batter is adequately fermented, it's ready to be cooked. A large non-stick skillet or a traditional Ethiopian griddle, known as a mitad, is heated over medium-high heat. Ensuring the skillet is properly heated is crucial for achieving the right texture. Using a ladle or measuring cup, about half cup of the batter is poured onto the hot skillet. The batter is then swirled gently to spread it into a round shape, resembling a pancake. The skillet is covered with a lid to trap steam, which helps cook the injera evenly. Within a few minutes, the surface will be dotted with bubbles, indicating that it is ready to be removed. The edges should lift easily, signifying that it's fully cooked. After cooking, the injera is placed on a clean cloth or plate to cool. It's common to stack the cooked pieces on top of each other, which helps retain warmth and moisture. This cooking process can be repeated until all the batter is used. Injera is traditionally served with a variety of Ethiopian dishes, such as spicy stews, referred to as wat, and sautéed vegetables. What makes injera particularly special is that it serves not only as a side dish but also as an edible plate. Diners tear off pieces of the injera to scoop up the accompanying food, fostering a communal dining experience. This style of eating encourages sharing and interaction, as people gather around a large platter to enjoy the meal together. Beyond its culinary role, injera holds cultural significance in Ethiopia. It is often seen as a symbol of hospitality and community, representing the care that goes into Ethiopian cooking. When served, it reflects traditions that emphasize the importance of family and togetherness, making it a cherished part of both everyday meals and festive occasions.